Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a profile picture in Bumble account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now, you need to click on profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can see your profile here. Click on your profile and you can click on edit profile button. After that you can see that your photos and videos here. Simply long press on the photo you want to keep a profile picture as. And you can rearrange it like this. Now you can see a main option at the first of your photo. Simply drag it to here. Now, the photo you have picked has been changed to main. Here you can see that your profile has been changed. If you want to change the photo, you can do the same thing for it. Simply long press on it and drag it to the main. So, that is how you can change a profile in Bumble account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.